So most probably you are facing this kind of issue now when trying to open Gcash. There are actually several ways that you may try to solve this problem. First, try to close all the apps that are currently running or open on your mobile device. Gcash maybe is detecting some kind of suspicious activities with one or some of the apps that you're using, that's why you can't access it at the moment. After doing that, try to open your Gcash app again. If it's still not working, try to clear cache or run a security scan on your device. Gcash may have been detecting viruses from your mobile device, that's why you can't open it at the moment. Most of the time, by doing this way, you should be able to access your Gcash now. But if it's still not working, another way that you can do is to update your Gcash app, so go to Play Store. And if you see this update button right here, just tap on it. Once it's updated and for some reason it is still not working, try to uninstall the app, then install it again on your device. By doing some of these steps, you should be able to access your Gcash app now. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.